Well, on the national stage, major news over the weekend and new information out today. A man with criminal history is in jail facing federal gun charges. The FBI believes this man tried to assassinate former President Donald Trump over the weekend. The acting Secret Service director is in Florida today to meet with Mr. Trump as the investigation into who the suspect is and their possible motive, it ramps up. NBC's Alice Barr is in Washington with details.
Keep walking!
New body cam footage released today showing the moment sheriff's deputies brought an apparent would-be assassin into custody. The acting Secret Service director meeting with former President Trump at Mar-a-Lago after the second threat to his life in 9 weeks.
And the agent's hypervigilance and the detailed swift action was textbook. And I commend them and our partners for an exemplary response in keeping former President Trump safe.
The suspect, 58-year-old Ryan Wesley Ruth, making his first court appearance today, so far facing gun-related charges. He's accused of hiding out and pointing a semi-automatic rifle less than 500 yards from where former President Trump was golfing at his course in West Palm Beach, Florida. A Secret Service agent spotted a gunman in the bushes just outside the fence and fired at him. The man took off, but not before an alert witness snapped a picture of his car that sheriff's deputies quickly tracked down.
Did the one witness make it all possible? The answer is unequivocally yes.
Former President Trump was not hurt. In a Fox News digital interview, he blamed rhetoric from President Biden and Vice President Harris, though the suspect's motive remains unknown. The president and vice president, on the other hand, both sharply condemned political violence, calling for more Secret Service support.
Thank God the president's okay. The service needs more help, and I think the Congress should respond to their needs.
As members of both parties call to tamp down heated rhetoric, the investigation is ramping up. Ruth has a long criminal history and has been outspoken in his support for Ukraine. In 2020, he told former President Trump on social media that he supported him in 2016, but called his time in office a disappointment. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.